this video, we are going to see how user can copy existing created lots into other event. Step 1. Draft page. Here is draft page located inside my account event section. Copy lot option available in draft, publish, closed, and archived section. Now let's go to draft page. Here we have Tesla event, which contains 10 lots, and Ford event, which having 2 lots. We are copying lots from Tesla event to Ford event. Now let's click on Manage Auction button of Tesla event. Step 2. Error message. Click on Lot option and you will see Copy Lot option. Select Copy Lot option. Now select Ford event from drop-down and select Lot 1 and 2, which is already present in Ford. On click of Copy button, it shows 2 buttons, Generate New Lot Number and Copy Lot Numbers button. For now, let's click on Copy Lot Number to get error message. Here we can see the error message showing lot number must be unique as lot number 1 and 2 is already present in Ford event. Here we can see in Ford event lot 1 and 2 is present. Step 3. Generate new lot numbers. Now let's select same lot and try to understand Generate New Lot Number button functionality. Here we have Generate New Lot Number option. Click on this. Lots copy successfully. Same lots which earlier not created due to same lot number 1 and 2 present in this event. But using Generate New Lot Number, it generate lots with number which is 3 and 4. Let's click on Back button to go Tesla event. Step 4. Copy lot numbers. Now click on Manage Auction button. Select Lot option. Now select Copy Lot option. Select lot number 5 and lot number 6 because this lot's numbers not present in Ford event. Now select Ford option and click on Copy button. Copy Lot Number button. Copy lot with same number. Here we can see lot copy successfully because lot 5 and lot number 6 not present in event.